Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to another eye-opening episode where we dive deep into the hidden dangers lurking in our everyday lives. Today we're talking about something that might shock you. Your everyday bowl of rice could be turning toxic, and it's not just a minor issue. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some far-fetched theory, it's backed by scientific research. Let's dive into some alarming new research that links climate change to rising arsenic levels in rice. This is a growing health crisis that we can't afford to ignore. Rice is a staple food for about half the world's population. It's a crucial part of diets in many countries, providing essential nutrients and energy. But here's the catch. Rice naturally absorbs high levels of arsenic from the soil and water it's grown in. This isn't a new phenomenon, but it's becoming more dangerous. Arsenic is a nasty carcinogen that's been linked to cancers, heart disease, and even neurological issues in infants. Yikes! The health implications are severe and far-reaching. Now here's where climate change comes into play. It's not just about rising sea levels and melting ice caps. It's affecting our food supply in ways we never imagined. A recent study published in a leading scientific journal shows that rising temperatures and increased CO2 levels, thanks to climate change, are making rice absorb even more arsenic. This study is groundbreaking because it highlights a direct link between our changing climate and the safety of our food. Over 6 years, researchers exposed several rice species to these future climate conditions. And guess what? The results were alarming. The arsenic levels shot up significantly. This means that as our planet warms, the rice we eat could become increasingly toxic. This is a huge deal, especially for major rice-consuming countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, China, Bangladesh, the Philippines, Myanmar, and India. These nations rely heavily on rice as a dietary staple. People in these countries could face higher risks of developing serious health issues from their staple food. The impact on public health could be devastating. The researchers are sounding the alarm, urging for stricter regulatory limits on arsenic in food, especially to protect vulnerable infants. This is a call to action for governments and health organizations worldwide. Did you know the US FDA hasn't set any limits yet? That's right. Despite the known dangers, there are no federal regulations in place to control arsenic levels in rice. It's high time we demand action. What can be done? We need to push for regulatory changes and better safety standards. For starters, we need to develop rice strains that absorb less arsenic. This involves advanced agricultural research and genetic modification. Educating consumers about safe alternatives is crucial too. People need to be aware of the risks and how to mitigate them. And most importantly, we need to tackle climate change head-on by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. This is a global effort that requires cooperation from all sectors of society. This isn't just about saving the planet, it's about protecting our health. The food we eat, the air we breathe, and the water we drink are all interconnected. So, the next time you enjoy a bowl of rice, remember this. Climate change is not just warming the planet, it's making our food toxic. We need to act now to ensure a healthier future. Stay informed, stay healthy, and let's push for the changes we need. Together, we can make a difference. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this information valuable, and don't forget to subscribe for more health news. Your support helps us continue to bring you important updates. Until next time, take care. Let's work together for a healthier, safer world.